Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I got some happy mail. I got my pastry shop box of treats for the month of March. This is box number 17. I can't wait to get it open. I love this quilting subscription box. It's one of my favorite that's on the market. As you guys well know if you've been watching my channel, because I talk about it all the time. So let's see what's inside. There's always a wonderful project inside with an original pattern, which I really love. And most of the patterns are definitely my style. So let's get this open. So here it is, the box of treats for March. And like I said, this is box number 17. Must have got a little tousled in shipping there. Let's see what's inside here. Ooh, okay. So right on top, it says treat box number 17, Love Struck Hearts. And this is featuring Lelo Boutique's Love Struck collection, which I love Lelo Boutique fabrics. They're some of my favorite fabrics on the market. So I'm super excited about that. And the box has 2 charm packs, an Aquabella solid fabric for the heart blocks, a lavender heart-shaped matte cleaning pad from the Gypsy Quilter. Ooh, I've seen those before. Those are nice. Another touch of pink added to your box is a 1/8 beveled ruler, which will give you precision measuring when needed. A pale pink spool of silk finished thread is also included for your box. For an additional touch, the mini charm in your box is Camille Ross Kelly's Lighthearted, another line that I love. Your sweet treat, an old-fashioned pink swirl lollipop to sweeten your day. Awesome. All right, so this is going to be a good box. All right, so right on top is the pattern that is 60 by 60, and I really like it. It's really pretty. Definitely my style of a pattern. Not so much of a big heart person, but I love the stars, and the hearts in this are definitely very appropriate. So, and I love the blue. So, yay. Okay, so this requires 2 Love Struck charm packs, which are in the box, a 1/2 yard of Aqua Solid, which I think is in the box, 3 1/3 yards of background fabric, which you'll have to supply, 7 binding strips, and 4 yards of backing. So, let's get this open. All right, so here is that Gypsy Quilter matte cleaning pad that I was talking about in the paperwork. I'm going to leave this in the package because I already have one of these. I got it in another box, actually. They work really well. You just take it, it's silicone, and you rub it on your mat like this, and it cleans off all the gunk, all the like threads, stuff like that. So I don't want to take this out though, because I'm going to give it away to somebody because I've already got one. So there's that. And then there's an 1/8 graph beveled ruler. Again, I've got something really, really similar to this, so I'm not going to take it out of the package because I can give this away. It is a flexible ruler, which is nice if you need to like bend it around something. Okay. And then we have our fabric. Yay! Love Struck by Lelo Boutique. I love this line. It's got her grayish, I guess, the brown gray color. Taupey color, I guess. Pink, aqua, her green, which is beautiful. I love her green. That's really pretty. So there's 2 charm packs. And then we have a mini charm of Lighthearted by Camille Ross Kelly. And I love Lighthearted. That's such a pretty line. I'm still working on the Adore quilt that has Lighthearted. I got to get back to that. It's been a while since I did that. So that will be coming soon. And then this light pink, it's almost a baby pink, Metler silk finished thread. And then the lollipop she was talking about, which is really, really sweet. Look how sweet that is and cute. That'll go to one of my kids. And then this light blue Bella Solid, gorgeous aqua color. And just to make sure there's nothing else in the box, because sometimes I've forgotten things. No, that's it. Okay. So we have the light blue. We have the Lighthearted charm pack, the Love Struck, or mini charm pack, I'm sorry. The Love Struck charm packs, there's 2 of those. The sucker, the thread, the pattern, and the matte cleaning thing. Heart-shaped silicone pad from Gypsy Quilter, which those are nice. And then this beveled ruler. Okay, so let's recap and see what my favorite thing in the box was. So to recap what was in the box, we got the 2 Love Struck charm packs. That's Lelo Boutique fabric. Love Lelo Boutique. The Lighthearted mini charm from Camille Ross Kelly. Those are always great for making little zipper pouches. the matte cleaning pad from the Gypsy Quilter. This has been out for quite a while, but it's nice to have. But like I said, I already got one, so I'm going to keep that in the package and give it away to one of you guys. The Mettler light pink silk finish thread. The Aqua Bella Solid to help you finish your quilt. That's really pretty. I love that color. Did I already show these? The sucker and the beveled edge thing? I think I did. Sorry. And then the Love Struck Hearts pattern. So I always tell you guys my favorite thing in the box. And my daughter was sitting here and she's like, well, you should tell them my favorite thing in the box. And also my least favorite thing in the box. So I'm going to tell you her favorite thing in the box, which that would be the sucker. It is really pretty. I don't know if I've ever seen a pink and white swirled sucker. That's really sweet. Okay, so that's her favorite thing in the box. My favorite thing in the box, or actually I'm going to start with my least favorite thing. My least favorite thing is this beveled ruler. I could see where it's useful, but it's really small. It might be good to like put across a charm pack and draw like the lines, but I've already got rulers like that. So, and it's bendable. I don't like rulers that are bendy because I want them to like stay where I put them. So not a big fan of this, but if you need something like this, great. I've already got something that I love that's similar size. This is a Creative Grids ruler and it's stiff. It's not bendy, but that's okay. I think this would be great for drawing lines. I'm not sure if I would use it for anything else, and I'm actually not going to use it. I'm going to leave it in the package and just take it and throw it on the giveaway table at my retreat. Somebody might want it. It's not a bad thing. That's just my least favorite thing in the box. And my favorite thing in the box would have to be the pattern. The pattern is gorgeous. I love the pattern. Sherry always comes up with some beautiful creative patterns. I love it. And of course, with the pattern goes the beautiful fabric. And I love this aqua. That's really gorgeous. So I'm happy to have that. And I can't wait to make this quilt. I think it's going to be really beautiful. So all I need to do is bring 3 1/3 yards of background fabric and some binding strips and some backing fabric. Now I still have a little bit of Love Struck in yardage, so I'll have enough for binding, which is great. Let me think. 7 binding strips. You'll probably need about a ½ yard of fabric for the binding. It doesn't say that, but just doing the calculation really quickly. And then 4 yards of backing fabric. So, and I do a 2 1/4 inch binding strip, so that's based on my calculation for that. I'll need about a ½ yard. So if you do a little bit wider one, you might need more fabric, but gorgeous fabric. Love it. Love it. Love it. This is a great box. So beautiful pattern. This box is still available at Pastry Shop Quilts. You can buy these boxes one off if you see one that you like and you want to give it a try, or you can sign up for the subscription. And you can cancel it anytime. So if you get one you don't like, you can cancel, but you're not gonna not like them. I promise. They're great boxes. And if you do buy the one off, they're a little bit more expensive. So you get a little bit of a discount if you do the subscription. So I would recommend just going over there and signing up for the subscription. It's always a wonderful box. Sherry does a wonderful job of curating them and her patterns are fabulous. So take a peek at Pastry Shop Quilts. I'm going to link that down below in the description box. Plus I'll pin it as the first comment so you guys can easily find it. Tell me what you think of the box down in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. I always tell you what I think and I don't hear much back. So I'm just kind of curious what you guys think of this box. I know there's a lot of subscription boxes on the market right now, but this is definitely one of my top 3. I definitely have like, and that my top 3 are all like tied. There's not one that I can say is better than the other because they're all very different boxes, but this is in my top 3. So I don't like to recommend things, or I'm not going to tell you that I like things or recommend things that I myself wouldn't use, and I will use this box. I love this box. So again, check it out at pastryshopquilts.com. I will link that down below, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.